This is okay. Why now I can't change it? What I done wrong?
Oh, you got to drop it. This time it's on top.
Yes?
Now you got to drop them.
Yes?
Straighten this out. Drop them. So you got to go to the bottom. And now, if you look in there, there's a shed there.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
One is...
Okay, now you pull up on the stick to raise them.
Yes.
Pull up on the stick here to raise them, to change the shed.
Ah, no.
It's just like when you weave on the floor loom, you're pressing the shuttle.
Ah, so you, I have,
pedals.
yeah, to hold it up.
Yeah,
Ah,
that holds it up.
So, leave it down. Take my figure.
Yeah.
And
And find the open shed.
Yes.
That's it. Run your finger down and then put the shuttle through.
Yes.
Tighten it. Now pull up on the stick again to raise the shed.
Yeah.